Myself, Ashika. I am from St. Philomena's Group of Institutions, Chandapura branch, grade 4. Few GK concepts, states and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tripura, Agartha, Telangana, Hyderabad, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Delhi, West Bengal, Kolkata. 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samar Veda, Atharvaveda Veda. 5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean. 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Manadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamila, Bharani, Vaiga, Yamuna. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedy. Fundamental duties: to respect the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, follow ideas of the freedom struggle, protect sovereignty and integrity of the nation, define the country and render national services when called upon, spirit of common brotherhood, preserve composite culture, preserve natural environment, develop scientific temper, safeguard public property, strike for excellent, duty for our parents, guardians to send their children to school. Official language of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Districts of Karnataka: Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Chikbalapura, Chitradurga, Davangere, Kolar, Ramnagara, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Bagalkote, Belgaum, Bidar, Kalburgi, Koppal, Raichur, Yadgiri, Chamarajanagar, Chikmagaluru, Dakshina Kannada, Hassan, Kodagu, Mandya, Mysuru, Udupi, Vijayanagara. Preamble: We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of station, of and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949, do we hereby adapt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Solar system: there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. International Airport: Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad. Anna International Airport in Chennai. Kempe Gowda International Airport in Bengaluru. Union Territories and their capitals: Andaman Nicobar Island Group plus Chandigarh, Nagaland, Naga Haveli, Silvassa, Daman, Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavach, Puducherry, Puducherry, Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Botanical names of fruits: mango, mangiferi indica, banana, musa, perisca, apple, malus, pumila, grapes, vitis, vinifera, orange, citrus, citrus, papaya, carica, papaya, pineapple, ananas, comosas, lemon, citrus, lemon, guava, cerium, gujuva, watermelon, citrus, lantern. Botanical names of vegetables: potato, solam, dubasum, onion, alluvium, sheep, carrot, ducus, carota, cucumber, cucumis, sativus, bell pepper, piper, nigra, pea, pisium, sativus, ginger, gingisand, office, turmeric, cucumber, long, radish, rapanans, sativus. 5 kingdom system. Kingdom Monero, unicellular, karyotic organism. Kingdom Protista, unicellular, karyotic organism. Fungi, unicellular and multicellular, non-green plants. Kingdom Plantae, all multicellular animals. Kingdom Animal, all multicellular green plants. ಆರು ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು. 12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವಯುಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ. Animal tissue. These are classified into 4 types: epithecal tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Agriculture crops in India: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, coffee, tea, cotton tea, coffee, ragi. Thank you.